Hello, this is Joan of Arc in the beautiful municipality of Cagayan. Now we are flying a kite, Burador. So let's talk about Burador this time and how to fly a kite. Wow! Kamusta ang mga Burador? How's your kite?
Good.
Good! It's flying good. Let's see. There is Mao's kite. It's flying lupad. This string is called higot. Pull, butong. Pull, he's pulling the string so that the kite flies steadily. Lupad. The string, he burambods it. Burambod is to... Taas, taas means very high. Very high. What happened to your kite? Oh, that's the case of the kite stuck. So nasabit ang kite. So, okay. And okay, let's help untie his kite. Let's help unravel the string. So the string is na burambod and nasangit. Nasangit is the kite is stuck. And we have to unravel the string. Hukso ng burambod. Sambod, burambod, rolling the string. Okay, Mao, demonstrate to us how to fly a kite. And Wen will also demonstrate how to fly a kite. So, itibong. Tibong is to toss the kite into the air. Yay! Okay, itibong. Itibong, toss it up. Toss the kite up. Ito ng higot. Ginahugot ang higot. Dalagan, run! And where is flying up is Lupad? Palupad, Burador. Mao is flying the kite. Lupad is fly. Burador is kite. Kite is flying steadily and it's truly a beautiful sight. Fly high. Kite fly high. So there's the flying kite trio. Wind is hangin, so you have to look at the wind and also the tightness of the string. So the tightness is ang kahuguton of the string, so you have to hold the string tightly and pull butong. The tail of the kite is ikog. And Mao's kite fell down. He's retrieving his kite. Kuha is taking or retrieving his kite. Kuha. And try to fly it back. There's a kite soaring and flying. Woo! And the other kites are flying as well. This is Joan of Art talking about kites, and see you again in our next video. What would be our next topic? Just like, share, and subscribe. We'll talk about it. Reaching for the stars. No starfish was hurt during the filming of this video. Bye, starfish.